Welcome to a transformative video where we look into the essence of being a chosen one and harnessing the powerful law of attraction to reshape your reality. If you've ever felt a deep internal signal that you're meant for something greater, then this message is for you. Today, we'll uncover how the law of attraction isn't just a universal principle, but a personal guide that's especially potent for those who are chosen. Whether you're new to this concept or seeking to deepen your understanding, our exploration will equip you with insights and tools to effectively attract the experiences and outcomes you desire. Being identified as a chosen one can evoke a sense of wonder and a formidable dose of skepticism. You might wonder, am I truly chosen, or what does being chosen really mean? Being chosen does not imply superiority over others. Rather, it suggests a unique alignment with certain potent forces of the universe that propel you towards specific experiences and achievements. The first step is recognizing the signs that you might be a chosen one. These aren't always monumental, life-altering events. Sometimes they are subtle nudges, recurring thoughts, dreams, or coincidences that seem to point you in a specific direction. It might be a persistent pull towards a cause, an unexplained ability to influence situations and people, or a constant encounter with specific numbers or patterns. Acknowledge these signs as more than mere coincidences. They are cues from the universe guiding you towards your life's purpose. Understanding this status comes with its set of emotional responses, from exhilaration to a weighty sense of responsibility. It's natural to feel overwhelmed as you begin to comprehend the breadth of your potential impact. Accepting this aspect of your identity is crucial. It's about accepting that you have a unique path, laden with opportunities to make significant changes, not only in your own life, but also in the lives of others. This acceptance isn't about yielding to a fate designed without your input. It's about actively shaping that destiny with awareness and intention. Now, let's connect this understanding to the law of attraction, a principle you might already be familiar with, but from a refreshed perspective. At its core, the law of attraction is about manifesting what you hold in your focus, whether consciously or subconsciously. For chosen ones, this law operates not only as a universal principle, but also as a personal dynamic tool that responds uniquely to their elevated frequencies. The foundational steps of ask, believe, and receive are well known, yet critical in harnessing this law effectively. To ask is to define what you want. This step requires clarity and precision. You need to articulate clearly what you seek to attract, whether it's in your personal life, your career, or your spiritual journey. The clearer your request, the better the universe can understand and respond to your call. Next, to believe is perhaps the most challenging yet the most powerful step. It involves cultivating a deep-seated belief not only in the possibility of achieving what you ask for, but also in your worthiness of receiving it. This belief isn't rooted in arrogance, it's anchored in a profound understanding of your role in the universe as a chosen agent of change and manifestation. To receive is to be open to the outcome, accepting it with gratitude when it arrives, and recognizing it may not always look as you envision. For chosen ones, receiving can be an intense experience because it confirms their alignment with the universe and their ability to influence reality. It's essential here to remain humble and grounded, recognizing that each manifestation is a step toward greater self-realization and fulfillment of your universal role. Transitioning from understanding the foundational principles, let's focus on intention setting. This step is where you can truly begin to leverage your status as a chosen one to manifest more effectively using the law of attraction. Setting intentions is much more than simply declaring what you want. It's about aligning those desires with your higher purpose and ensuring they resonate deeply with your chosen path. What? To set powerful intentions, start by reflecting on your desires to ensure they align with your ultimate goals. Ask yourself, are these desires serving my higher purpose? Do they feel right at a core level? This reflection helps to eliminate superficial wants and focuses your energy on what truly matters. When your intentions are aligned with your chosen role, they carry a stronger frequency, making them more likely to manifest. Another key aspect of intention setting is to infuse your intentions with clear positive emotions. The universe responds not just to your words, but to the energy you emit. Feel the joy, the peace, or the abundance that your fulfilled desire would bring, as if it's already part of your reality. This emotional alignment supercharges your intentions, acting like a magnet for similar energies to come your way. With your intention set, enhancing your visualization practices is the next critical step. Visualization is a powerful tool for the chosen ones because it helps to create a clear and vivid picture of the desired outcomes in your mind, making them more attainable. Begin by finding a quiet space where you can concentrate without interruptions. Close your eyes and construct a detailed mental image of your intention as already achieved. See yourself living the reality that you wish to manifest. The key here is in the details. Visualize the environment, the sounds, the smells, and most importantly, the emotions associated with the achievement. For the chosen ones, it's beneficial to incorporate elements that resonate with their deeper understanding of their roles. For instance, if your role involves guiding others, imagine interacting with these individuals in your visualization. Feel the gratitude and the positive impact you're making through your guidance. This not only strengthens the visualization, but also reinforces your purpose and role as a chosen one. Moving forward with our exploration, let's look into affirmations, a powerful tool for the chosen ones to reinforce their intentions and enhance their manifestation process. Affirmations are positive, precise statements that you repeat to yourself to build self-belief and reshape your subconscious mindset. For the chosen ones, these aren't just hopeful thoughts, but declarations that solidify their path and accelerate their journey towards their destiny. To create affirmations that resonate, begin by affirming your role and capabilities as a chosen one. Statements like, "I am fully aligned with my purpose," or "I possess the power to manifest my destiny" are powerful because they reaffirm your identity and purpose. These affirmations should be recited daily, preferably in the morning or before meditation sessions, to set a positive tone for your day and keep you aligned with your chosen status. Additionally, ensure that your affirmations are in the present tense. This tricks your mind into believing that the statements are currently true, thus aligning your energy with your words. For example, saying "I am experiencing abundance in my life" is more effective than "I will experience abundance in my life." This subtle shift in language enhances the belief that the desired state is your current reality, thereby drawing it closer to you in the physical world. While you continue to use the law of attraction, you might encounter doubts and negative patterns that can hinder your progress. These are natural, but for the chosen ones, it's crucial to address and overcome them to maintain the purity of their path and the effectiveness of their manifestations. First, recognize these negative thoughts and patterns when they appear. Awareness is the first step to change. Once you are aware, challenge these thoughts by asking yourself whether they are truly reflective of your abilities and purpose. Replace each negative thought with a positive affirmation that reinforces your chosen status and capabilities. For persistent doubts, maintaining a journal can be very helpful. Write down any recurring negative thoughts and counteract them with evidence of your achievements and positive outcomes. This practice not only provides a reality check, but also strengthens your mental and emotional foundation, making you less susceptible to negativity. Integrating mindfulness and meditation into your daily routine can significantly help in managing doubts. Meditation enhances your self-awareness and allows you to detach from habitual negative thoughts. It provides the mental clarity needed to focus on your affirmations and intentions without the clutter of counterproductive beliefs. Transitioning into the next powerful element of the law of attraction for the chosen ones, let's focus on gratitude. Gratitude is not merely about being thankful. For the chosen ones, it acts as a catalyst that amplifies their manifestations. When you consistently practice gratitude, you create a positive feedback loop in your interactions with the universe. This positivity enhances the frequency of your manifestations, drawing more of what you are grateful for into your life. To incorporate gratitude effectively, start each day by listing 3 things you are grateful for. This could be as simple as appreciating the morning sun, a fulfilling interaction, or a personal achievement. The key is to feel the gratitude deeply, allowing it to resonate within your spirit. This practice sets a positive tone for the day, aligning your energy with abundance and success. End your day by reflecting on moments or elements that brought you joy or satisfaction. This reflection not only helps in recognizing the blessings of the day, but also in reinforcing the belief that the universe is constantly providing for you. Through gratitude, you affirm to the universe that you acknowledge and appreciate its gifts, which in turn encourages the universe to bless you abundantly. For the chosen ones, connections with higher powers or spiritual guides are not just beneficial, they are pivotal in maximizing the potential of the law of attraction. These connections offer guidance, insights, and affirmations that are not accessible through ordinary means. They provide a higher perspective, helping you to navigate your path with greater clarity and purpose. To enhance these connections, regularly engage in practices that elevate your spiritual frequency. Meditation is a foundational practice. It quiets the mind and opens the heart, facilitating a deeper connection with your guides. During meditation, ask for guidance on your path and be open to receiving insights through intuition, thoughts, or even dreams. Another effective practice is to create a sacred space in your home where you can communicate with your guides. This space should be a place of peace and tranquility where you can sit quietly, free from the distractions of daily life. Use this space to hold dialogues with your guides, asking questions and allowing the space and silence to bring you the answers you seek. By cultivating gratitude and strengthening your connections with higher powers, you leverage unique spiritual tools that accelerate your manifestations and deepen your understanding of your role as a chosen one. These practices are not just rituals, but are profound ways to enhance your spiritual journey, ensuring that your actions and intentions are continuously supported by the universe and aligned with your higher purpose. While we conclude today's video of enhancing your journey as a chosen one with the law of attraction, remember that each tool and practice discussed is designed to deepen your connection with your unique path and amplify your ability to manifest your destiny. So, from setting powerful intentions and utilizing precise affirmations to accepting gratitude and connecting with higher spiritual guides, each step is integral in aligning your spirit with the universe's vast resources. Continue to apply these practices daily and watch as your life transforms, reflecting the profound impact of your thoughts, beliefs, and gratitude. Remember, your journey as a chosen one is not only about realizing your own potential, but also about impacting the world in meaningful ways. If you found value in today's session, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights and guidance. Your engagement helps us reach others who, like you, are on their path to unlocking their fullest potential. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. Together, let's continue this journey of growth, manifestation, and transformation. Thank you for watching, and keep manifesting your destiny.